Alright, what's going on, guys? I know I said I wasn't going to film any more suspension stuff, but a couple things to note and bring to your attention, as this is a learning curve for me as well. So here are the wheels. I didn't like all the camber that I originally had, so I went ahead and fixed this side. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Nothing too bad. But this over here, it's a little too much camber for my taste. I kind of like my wheels more flushed, kind of the vertical look. Just personal preference. So what I want to talk to you about was what I had to do to go ahead and adjust my camber with these Rev 9 coilovers. So there's a little hidden secret on there. Since these things don't come with instructions, I figured I'd show you guys what I did. And then I also raised the car about another 1/4 inch and took it for a drive. I wasn't hitting anything as much. Really no scraping for the most part, because what I had originally, I was scraping on little dips and things of that nature, but that has since been resolved since I raised the car about a 1/4 inch. So that's what I did on this side, on the passenger. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and do that on this side. I figured I'd go ahead and show you how I adjusted the camber myself. And yeah, if you guys have any other ways to do it, please let me know down in the comment box down below, and yeah, maybe we'll find an easier way to do it. But today is Saturday the 3rd of April, and I have an alignment scheduled for the 6th, so that'll be on Tuesday, and then I'll be able to finally drive this car around and be pretty comfortable with it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and raise up this side, because as you can tell, it's pretty low. Fix the camber, and yeah, we'll go ahead and get this started. So before I mess with the height, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the camber adjustment, because it'll be a little easier to show you with the wheel moving and everything of that nature. So just some things to note: there are 4 little Allen head adjustment little portions that you want to go ahead and break loose. Just take your Allen head, break them loose real quick. It shouldn't be too tight right now. Alright, so now that those are loose, you can kind of see the wheel over here. Let me see if I can get this on camera for you. But when I go ahead and loosen this, this is all going to shift over. As you can see, hopefully it caught it. Alright, so check it. Camber got a little less, so still a little bit better, but I'm not completely satisfied. Let me show you guys my little secret. So up here on top of the coilover, you had those 4 Allens that we just loosened up, and when we went ahead and loosened them, this all kind of shifted outboard of the vehicle, which helped out with decreasing our camber. Now, what you'll notice is it doesn't really go any farther than what it's currently showing. And the reason for it not going any further is because this little head actually hits this sway bar. So in order to fix that, we can actually remove these 2, and there's an actual little hidden slot for each one to go in. So right there, I don't know if you guys can see it, that's an actual threaded insert. So we'll go ahead and put that in there. What it will do is give us the ability to have all this extra playroom to go ahead and slide that over, and then we'll have a lot less camber. So that's the goal, and that's what I figured out on that side, and I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Now keep in mind, when you guys go ahead and do this, it'll probably be a little easier if you had the tire removed or the wheels removed, but you're not hurting it. Alright, 1.5 inches. That's what our gap was on the other side, so we're even there. I think we're set. Just gonna go ahead and tighten this down, and we're good. So let's go ahead, throw the wheels back on, throw the car back on the ground, and see what our end results are. And just another obvious or friendly reminder, if you guys are going to adjust your camber, it is a lot easier to do it with the wheels off. That way you can actually grab the strut or coilover itself and go ahead and shimmy inward or outward just with your little hand, and you should be good. But it's a lot easier to do it with the wheel off. You can do it with the wheel on like I did, or you can go ahead and remove it, make your life a little easier. Alright, now that we have the camber adjusted, the wheel looks a lot more flush. I'm happy with that. That's as far as that we can basically go on these coilovers, which I'm pretty happy with. I'm okay with that. So the last thing you really want to do is make sure these are actually super tight, because if they are a little bit loose, they can become unadjusted while you're driving. That wouldn't be the best scenario for you, so make sure these are tight, and you should be good. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video here. Hopefully you guys learned something. I know I did during this process. Like I said, my alignment is in a couple days. I'll go ahead and be able to drive it around, show you guys, give you a nice road review on the coilovers themselves. So far, from what I've done around the neighborhood, it's been a quality ride, nothing to complain about. These are a cheaper coilover, so I know some people are concerned, so I'll go ahead and lay a review for you guys in the next couple videos here coming up soon. So other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life in idle, and I will see you guys in the next one. What do you guys think about that gap? Not that bad. It's still, you still can't get you can get like one finger in there. That's plenty enough for me. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys later.